The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya kadai ka Sorkar ka Bamsap tam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki Bamsap tam tang hadin katokan esngi menta uya trailang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing kayitu yaw doyong bat ka dom jong ka assembly ro kala kelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kine gide kidak kisin ki ba mangi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki kelempat penrung hadu menta hapo ka 8 schedule. Ki don ar po arteli ki kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8 schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilat jingeda kumno ban penne ya kariti ka dustur ki jongpi hangne ya ki adivasi ya kakitin Katolik ki jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjot menta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang pentelot sisu iki lakini kabor ka jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya, is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingila ay kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban pendu kaway hadin kaway.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra.
Kine gide ki mat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa man pensngau si ki pai ba ha ka jingyai ki jat ka jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Jodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kham kongsan tam ka thong ka bangabu hakane ka jingyai ki jat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong banya kren bat phi bat ban sngap ye phi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Bansngau thu ya ka jing angnut but ka jing pos new jonki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Bansngau thu ya ka jing ba ki nong rep nakane ka jalla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lat ka kabu ka bala ban le hakane ka jalla ka jongi.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kham kong santam nakamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jingya day hapdeng jonga bat ki pai ba long sung sunong hapo ka jalla
I
Meghalaya.
come here with humility, with respect, with humility and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ka jing sngorit ban sngap ya phi ban burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jong phi bat ban sngap ya ki jing don kam ki jong phi.
I am not here to tell you my man ki baat. I am here to listen to your man ki baat.
Nga klemwan hangne ban pensngau ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jonga Henry ngawan hangne ban sngap ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jong phi.
And so in the yatra we spend 6-7 hours talking to the people of Meghalaya and other states, and then in the end we speak for 20-25 minutes.
Habangi ya kijat riu nyau kenta ngis ngap ya ka sur jongki nongsong snong haki jela ba per kumjuru ka jela ka jongpi bat haka bakut ka jing ya kijat ngikren tang arfo arfusan minit.
Before I conclude, I'd like to leave you with one thought I had.
Shua bangan penkut ngakwa aban pensngau yupi iwe jing perkat ibangadon.
Today, when we were driving here, we stopped and tasted some of your pineapples.
Menne habangi wan sane ngila sange bat ngila bam katogat ne usok turun jong ka jela jongpi.
There was a daughter and a mother who was selling the pineapples on the side of the road.
Kadon kawai ka kemi rengkat bat ka khun ka jongka kibayadi sok turun harut surop.
In my entire life, I have never had such a delicious pineapple.
Silenter jingim jonga ngampat mat usok turun ubatiang kum utu ubamene.
In fact, immediately after I had it, I called up my mother and I said, I'm bringing some of the best pineapple in the world to you.
You call up him?
Mama.
Oh. Hadin mangala abam ulafoni ime jong uong ba ngan sawan ra sok turun ye piru sok turun ubatiang tam hapertai lese.
So two or three small questions. One, why isn't the best tasting pineapple in the world available to the entire world?
Tang baka jingkeli kalong kene. Balai usok turun ubatiang hakapertai. Balai umla ban lei sikiwei pat gibenta jong kapertai.
Why is the best pineapple in the world not being sold in London, New York, Tokyo, in these places?
Balai une usok turun ubatiang tam hakapertai amla bandi ha London ha New York bat kiwi-kiwi gijaka.
And why are the farmers and that mother and daughter not benefiting from the sale of your pineapples to the rest of the world?
Balai kine ki shikmi shikun ka kimi bat ka kun kim yo nong nakabadi sok turun sakyu bani kiwi gibenta jong kapertai.
Because we have not, or the infrastructure has not been developed to send that pineapple to the rest of the world.
Let's say kadau kalong ba amnon ka jing penbit penbiang ban pha ai kine ki sok turun ki jongi sakiwei gibenta jong kapertai.
The entire population of Meghalaya can become wealthy on what you produce here.
Kinong song sinong jong kari India jong ka jela Meghalaya kila ban rius pa tang na ki marrep ki ba pipen mi na kane ka jela.
You gave me oranges, I haven't tasted them yet, but I am convinced that they will be among the best oranges in the world.
Pila ayanga ki sok turun ngampari olat ban bam handrai ngangai udai usok nyamtra ubatiang tam hakapertai.
And I think it is important that we develop a vision for Meghalaya that achieves some of these things.
Bat ngangai ngidei ban thau kalat kalenti kumno ban penpoi kini ki jing angnut ki jongi hangne hapo Meghalaya.
I want to conclude by saying, I'm your soldier in Delhi.
Ngakwa ban penkut de kabagaong ngadei usipai jong pi ha Delhi.
Whatever you need from me in Delhi, I will always try and deliver to you.
Kano ka ba pidon kam nanga na Delhi ngan persiang ban le kat bangala ban penpoi ya kata ka jing angnut ka jong pi.
And I want to have a loving relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ngakwa bandon ka jing yadai ka basngau ka basngau tenat bat ki nong song sinong jong ka jela Meghalaya.
And that is why I have come here.
Bat day na takadaw ngalawan sa kane ka jaka.
I'd like to conclude by saying, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी है.
Ngakwa ban penkut hapdeng ka yeu ka hat jong ka jing isi jing pihun ngide ban pli ka dukan jong ka jing e bat ka jing sotulam.
And I want to leave you with the commitment that we will never ever allow anyone to damage your history, your tradition, your language, your religion, your way of life.
Ngakwa ban mi no nang ne da ka bakular ban ong ngin ya khun ban penne ya ka history ka jong pi ki tin ki thli ki jong pi ki culture ki jong pi habangi leit nang ne.
Thank you very much. Good night.